G'day guys, today's lesson we are continuing to plan our information report, continuing to research. We are going to learn how to use the appropriate search terms in Google to help researching. We're going to revise using the skimming and scanning on different websites, and we're going to identify and record the key information on different websites. Now, when we get into Google, it's very important which terms, which words we write down into the search engine of Google. So to find Steve Irwin, for example, these are some really useful words you can type into Google. Facts, list, for kids, biography. So if it's a list, it will quite often give you bullet points of facts. If we write in for kids, it will make sure the language is not too difficult. So it means you should be able to understand all of it or most of the website. And a biography is like an information report all about a person. It's everything you need to know about a specific person. So for example, I might type in a combination of some of these. Steve Irwin, we need to type that in because he is our subject. Facts for kids. So we've used the word facts from our little list up here, and we've also put in for kids. Now I'm just going to copy that. I'm going to put that into Google and see what comes up. Steve Irwin, facts for kids. Now it will give us a whole bunch of different websites. Kiddle.co, which can be a good one. Britannica. So these are like Wikipedia. We don't want to be using Wikipedia, but they are similar. Kids Connect. So if I click in this one, for example, Kids Connect, it will give you Steve Irwin facts and worksheets. Steve Irwin, known as the Crocodile Hunter, tells us a little bit about who he is. And there's our table of contents, which are like all the different chapters that we're going to be researching. Facts and early life. There's our first subheading. Remember, we can skim and scan through the document. Early life, marriage and family, Crocodile Hunter, and it's all written here as bullet points for you. More TV shows and films, campaigns, appearances, legacy, so how we remember him, how he died, and don't worry too much about the worksheets at the bottom. But it's got lots of subtitles there that help you skim and scan through the document. Now, if I might go back and I might try a different search. I might try Steve Irwin list facts for kids. List facts for kids. I'm going to use 3 of those all together. And we'll see if any interesting websites come up. Again, Kiddle comes up, Britannica, Kids Connect, similar ones come up. Here's one, the crocodilehunter.com.au. So it's a very specific one about him. We're not watching YouTubes. We're just reading information. Kids search, facts for kids, 15 crazy facts about Steve Irwin, 44 wild facts about Steve Irwin. So we can see that word facts is going to be really important for when you're doing your research. 44 facts. There we go, 44, 43, and you've got those subtitles there to help you, okay, determine if it's important or if it's not important. So, as you're working today, use different combinations of these when you type them into Google. Now, you will need to go back to yesterday's work. Here's my work on Kathy Freeman, and copy all your information about Steve Irwin across. Copy, and I'm going to paste it in there. That way you've got all of yesterday's notes and you can keep adding to your Steve Irwin notes today.